Rainy Bells has been hotly discussed before it was aired. Yang and Zhang Ruonan have a strong sense of CP, and the male second has become the focus. Are you amazed by the cast of Rainy Bells like me? Since the announcement of the star and cast of this drama, related stills and Reuters pictures have quickly spread on social media, and everyone is looking forward to the wonderful performance of Yang as the hero Zhan Xiao. And how will the chivalrous woman Yuelun played by Zang Ruan show a sweet image different from usual? In addition, there is also an invisible killer, the stunning appearance of the male second Fang Yuelun. He plays by Yuding, who almost makes people forget the existence of the male lead. So, why can this male second win the love of many audiences and become the focus of everyone's attention? Can he set off the waves of Rainy Bells and make himself jump from a supporting role to the brightest star? Let's take a look at these actors and the roles they play, and analyze who is in control of the situation in this wonderful performance of the costume drama. Yang plays Zhan Xiao in Raining Bells. What is the reason that makes many fans excited? Is it good looks? Of course. First-class temperament? Must have. However, what surprised everyone the most was his fighting performance in this drama. This time, he perfectly eliminated the previous greasy acting traces with a clean and neat style. The whole process of holding a sword, turning over, and single-handedly fighting, there is no hesitation in the whole process, and the courage and heroism in his eyes are like the TV version of young hero. Compared with his overacting in previous roles, Yang's performance this time can be described as simple but not simple. When he wore a blue ancient costume and pointed his finger at the rivers and lakes, it was really refreshing, as if he was no longer the young Yang we are familiar with, but became a river and lake knight pointing at the sword. Having said that, the male lead Zhan Xiao does provide Yang with more opportunities to show himself, but you have to understand that the competition in this drama is still fierce. Although Yang has outstanding temperament, his movements are also very accurate, and his eyes are full of murderous aura. As the protagonist, he still needs to take more responsibilities. However, it is undeniable that Yang's image upgrade this time is very successful. Whether in terms of styling, design or acting skills, it shows his progress in the style of a mature actor. Zang Ruanan's role as Yuelun is a highlight of the play. As a powerful actress among the post-95's actresses, she already has a considerable number of fans. This time, she plays Yuelun, not only maintaining her iconic fresh temperament, but also adding more tenacity and courage. This role has some weight. It is necessary to show the free and easy nature of the heroine, but also to be gentle. Such a performance sounds difficult, what do you think? However, Zang Ruanan's performance is very smooth, especially when showing some delicate expressions. She conveys the character's firmness and pure emotions vividly. Just like the plum blossom swaying in the wind, although they seem weak, they still stand proudly against the wind. In fact, if you ask me, how is the performance of Zang Ruonan and Yang as a partner? I think the two are a perfect match of beauty and talent. From the released stills in Reuters, the two look harmonious and their interaction is just right, as if they were made in heaven. Yang's heroic spirit and Zang Ruanan's gentleness set off each other, making the picture so exciting that people can't wait to get into the TV series. When it comes to the hidden killer in this drama, we have to mention the second male lead Fang Yuelun. Frankly speaking, everyone may not pay much attention to him at first, but when he played by Yuding, it really made the editor's eyes light up. Although he is only the second male lead, the charm of Bai Yudang's role should never be underestimated. In the original work, Bai Yudang is a smart, alert, chivalrous golden rat, and this role provides Fang Yuelun with a stage to show himself. Fang Yuelun's performance is rich in connotation, far more than just handsome appearance. With his gentle temperament, cold eyes and agile skills, he interprets Bai Yudang's cleverness and chivalrous heart to the fullest. You may ask, what kind of breakthrough will it be if the role of Bai Yudang is played by the second male lead? In fact, Fang Yuelun deeply comprehended the charm of night this time, and his performance is more profound in his steadiness. The Bai Yudang he plays is no longer a simple handsome boy, but a comprehensive character who values love, righteousness, wit and courage. In addition, the role played by Fang Yuelun is not completely consistent with his age. He is over 30 years old, but he can play the slightly younger Bai Yudang vividly, and even in some details, he can show mature charm, so that people don't feel the slightest sense of disobedience. Yuelun is not only a stage for actors to show their acting skills, but also its overall production is expected. The drama produced by Noon Sunshine strives to restore the atmosphere of the martial arts world to the greatest extent in the design of costumes and props and the arrangement of scenes. Looking at the rich color matching and the highly textured clothing design, one can't help but want to travel back to that era of Jiang Hu disputes. The cooperation between director Liu Hongyan and screenwriter Wu Tong also makes people look forward to the plot of the series. This is not just a martial arts drama, but also contains profound emotional dramas. The relationship between the characters is intricate, and the audience feels not only the superficial passion, but also the chivalrous tenderness. However, in the final analysis, it is not enough to stand out in the increasingly competitive costume drama market by relying on high looks. Whether this drama can be successful ultimately depends on the audience's reputation. Do you know that with such a strong lineup and high-quality production, Rainy Bell will definitely not disappoint everyone? So, who will eventually win the throne of the king of the drama? Is it Yang's upright temperament, Zang Ruan's chivalrous tenderness, or Fang Yuelun's affectionate brooding? All the answers are waiting for the audience to reveal. The cast of Rainy Bell is undoubtedly eye-catching. The three leading actors, Yang, Zhang Ruonan, and Fang Yuelun, each have their own strengths and complement each other, making this drama particularly eye-catching. And Fang Yuelun's performance is undoubtedly a highlight of the drama. The brooding he plays is unforgettable in terms of appearance, temperament and acting skills. In short, Rainy Bell's conquered the audience with its powerful lineup and exquisite interpretation, successfully stood out in the costume drama market, and became a highly anticipated work. The reason why this drama can achieve this is precisely because of its in-depth and meticulous character creation, the excellent and innovative performances of the actors, and the excellent production. Who will be the king in Rainy Bells? Is it Yang's heroic spirit, Zang Ruan's chivalrous tenderness, or Fang Yuelun's affectionate brooding? Audience friends, what do you think? Welcome to leave a message below the comment area.